in the second part of that homework, rather than looking at the shape of the graph, we're looking at a single point and it tells us how it's moved. So this is C. Let's not label it with a C. I'm going to label it with a C. And it's 60 degrees and 0.5. Now, from the fact that it's got 60, 120, 180, I'm going to actually guess this is a trigonometric graph, probably because it starts at 1. But that's not actually important. What's important is how this would move this particular point. So let's have a look at what's going on. Minus 0.5, minus outside the brackets. That means this is moving down. So what happens if this moves down 0.5? Well, it's currently at 0.5. If it moves down 0.5, it will be at 0. So it won't move left or right, it will still be at 60. But instead of being at 0.5, it will be at 0. Here, f of x plus 90, so it's adding inside the brackets, so it's going the opposite way. We'd expect it to go to the right. Actually, it goes to the left. So it's moving to the left 90. So here it's currently at 60. If I move it 90 to the left, it puts me here, which is minus 30. So it's got minus 30, but it hasn't moved up or down this time, so it's still at 0.5. Minus f of x, minus outside the brackets, which means it's flipping up and down. So instead of being up here, it's going to be down here, exactly the same amount. So it's still at 60, but it's at minus 0.5. And finally, we've got another flip because it's a minus, but it's inside the brackets this time. So instead of being flipping up and down, it's going to flip left to right. So instead of being at 60, it's going to reflect over here, and it's actually going to be at minus 60, but still the same height. Minus 60, 0.5.